Good morning. Are you feeling okay now, Leo? You're okay now? You don't have any shock? Ah, you're good. So you're good now because you are making it that way. I love you, Leo. I miss you. Oh, why? Why are you running? Your legs okay now? Don't fight again, okay? Because you can take it. You can make it. You feel sorry, huh? Love you. I love you, Leo, my love. I love you. You're so cute. Now you're okay. You're gonna fight me again. So you're fine now, okay? Don't go out any other days again, and just stay at home so that you'll be fine. Okay. So that we don't know we will not be worried about you, my Leo. Say hi. Good morning, everyone. I'm okay now. I'm Leo. I'm just a little bit tired, but I'm good now, ladies and gentlemen. Say good morning. Say good morning to them because they are also concerned about you, what happened to you. You know, guys, last time what happened to him is he went outside and then he saw another cat and then they fought. They're fighting, so his legs got injured. That's why when I came here, he's not in a good bad mood and he's got sick. So that's why now he's going there. He's shy. Okay. So where you go now? Bye. You don't want to talk to anyone, huh? About what happened to you. Okay, sorry, my bad. Bye bye. Morning again.